Today, I would like to introduce to you this EL testing instrument. The equipment is composed of an EL camera, a lens, a brand computer, a portable power bank, a tripod, a dedicated upper wire, a portable duffel bag, a cross-laser positioning instrument, and other accessories. The equipment is applied for the internal defect detection of photovoltaic solar panels, which can better assist users in completing product quality inspections and controlling production and installation risks. The component EL tester is equipped with a 2x7 6-megapixel infrared camera, which can effectively assist users in identifying any DC quality issues within the photovoltaic panels. The equipment is equipped with an energy storage power supply and a Wi-Fi wireless control module, making on-site detection more convenient and rapid. Wireless detection image transmission viewing for tablet computers is possible without the need for a camera to view the detection images. The 3 security anti-theft luggage case is convenient and safe to carry and transport, applicable to the arrival inspection of photovoltaic power station components. Warehouse, laboratory, quality inspection of factory components.